Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage door lock not connecting to app pairing mode plus Bluetooth fix. To fix a Schlage lock that isn't connecting to the Schlage home app, perform a soft reset. Remove the battery pack for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. And if the lock is Wi-Fi enabled, ensure you are on a 2.4 GHz network, as 5 GHz network is not supported by many models. Fix 1. Perform a soft reset. Simply remove the battery cover and pull out the battery tray. Then leave the battery tray completely disconnected for at least 10 seconds. Then reinsert the tray securely. Then manually extend and redrag the door bolt. Fix 2. Check app and network settings. First, relogin. Log out of the Slage Home app and close it completely. After some time, log it back in. Wi-Fi band. If using a Schlage encode, the lock requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band. So temporarily disable 5 GHz on your router or separate your SSIDs during the initial pairing. Permissions. Then ensure your phone's Bluetooth, local network, and location services are turned on. VPN and ad blockers. Turn off any active VPNs or custom DNS/ad blockers on your phone, as they often interrupt app to lock communication. Fix 3. Check battery and range. Battery level. A low battery can hinder Bluetooth pairing and Wi-Fi transmission. So swap in fresh, high-quality alkaline AA batteries. Proximity. When first pairing or repairing, stand within 1 to 3 feet of the lock with your phone. Fix 4. Perform a factory reset and repair. Delete the lock from the Schlage app and perform a factory default reset by following the manual instructions for your specific lock model. Then open the Schlage Home app and add a new device to repair it. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.